Look at this road, guys. Wow. It's Cole, and he did our land and strimmed it back nicely. You happy with it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello everyone, we are back on the land. It's been a while, hasn't it? And yes, we're here. We've come down today because we have had the land strimmed. Yeah, it was quite overgrown with lots of weeds, lots of grass, lots of everything popping up everywhere, and we have just had it cut back. Here's how it's looking so far. So we've just come down basically just to check it out, to check that it's been done, to just see how it's looking. There's Toby, as you know. But yeah, it's looking good. Wow, look at it. Nothing, it's just cool, isn't it? Look at it. I don't know, I feel like we've just not seen it like this in ages. Yeah, it's really flat, isn't it? Yeah, it's really, really flat. Looks good. You happy with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Well, I mean, it's just...
I know it's like, it's not much to look at, but it's nice to look at again because it was getting pretty overgrown. So, yes, we met this guy called Cole, really lovely guy. And to do the 1/4 acre, he charged, obviously he had to go around the pile. He charged 8,000, which is
37 quid.
yeah, about £37 to strim it all. So comment below if it's good value or if it's not good value. We don't know, but to be honest, we were happy to pay it. He's a nice guy, and yes, the land is looking good again. Yeah, Toby's just saying he's still got to get rid of this pile. As we say, it has been a while, a little while since we've been here, just because of the setbacks of the car. I've started work, so we've not actually been down to the land for a while, and that's how it got quite overgrown. But yeah, we've still got this pile to tackle still. But you know, small steps, we're getting there. We are getting there. But yeah, again, it's lovely to see it looking so flattened, freshly done. All our materials are still here, and our tank and bits, which is a good thing. We have stored some of it away, but obviously there's some bits we can't store. But yes, it's all still here and looking good. So we are just leaving now. We've got a video coming up about seeing and speaking and designing our future home with the architect, so stay tuned for that one. We never really ask you guys, but if you enjoy our videos, please do subscribe and like and share the videos, because we're a little channel and it really does help us. So if you love the videos and you like what we're doing here, even though we're not doing much at all, yeah, please subscribe to our channel. Toby's pretending he's a car.
Yeah, so the drive will come down here like this and just basically go into a teardrop shape here, which will probably be, I don't know what it's going to be, maybe gravel, but obviously it's at an angle, so
yeah,
what do you reckon?
I don't know, whatever's cheapest. I don't know.
Really
oh, I'm a cheapskate.
Really and truly, what we want to do is we want to get the build done first, and then when that's done, we want to get a bulldozer, a backhoe back in for him to come in here, level this out, and then basically scrape the top of this off as much as he can and push it down like over there.
Okay.
To that area over there.
Okay.
Thin this out and put it back there. You know what I mean? So it's level. That's what we want to do.
Yeah.
And then after we've done that, like this. What?
No, nothing. I just tripped and
After it's
slid.
like done and it's raw, to get living in it with the outdoor space.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, that's it. We just want to.
down it over the top of that.
We just want to get in, don't we? We just want to get in. So we're attempting a drive down again. Yeah. I can see. Go on. Go on. Keep going. Yeah, it looks like it's going to scrape. It's not far off, but it looks like it will do because you're going to drop down. It's going to come down more, isn't it? Pardon? Yeah. Guess it's my turn. Mummy's in the car. I've been instructed to go slow.
Yeah, it's slower than that. No, you're not going to clear it. Stop. Go back, go back, go back, go back.
I've got to take my foot off the brake to get onto the accelerator.
You should have given it gas before you took off.
Well, we couldn't get onto the land.
So as it stands now, our parking spot is there.
Okay.
For the foreseeable future.
All right.
We have road parking for the foreseeable future, but so do like loads of the houses down there.
Yeah, fair enough. That's cool. Oh, well, at least we tried it again.
Yeah. So we need more marl and there. It needs to be filled out. It needs to be dumped out there.
Oh, I'm winding it up and can't hear anything. How are you guys doing? Yeah?
Can we hurry up and eat our crisps, guys? So we can go. Come on. Come on.
Hazel. Did you say hello? Sorry, Mel. Did you say hello? Hello. Good girl. Oh, good girl.
Going up again. There's another story on it.
Yeah,
all
some
up a route.
houses are just really big, aren't they? Yeah. You'll have to let us know. Like we keep like debating whether we keep debating. Obviously, we're in the car as well. We keep debating whether these big houses that we keep seeing, are they going to be like multiple apartments, or are they one house? Sometimes we just don't know.
Multiple apartments.
Yeah.
That one hasn't been done at all.
Look at this road, guys. Wow. Like, I've never seen, I don't even know if you can call these potholes. What can you call this? Me and Toby's just switched seats because I got too shook and scared to drive down this road. So
I don't blame you.
Mr. Osbornes handling
I don't
it.
actually
Look
blame
at them.
You.
Wow. Well done, darling. Well done. Wow.
This is one of the worst. This
Well
geezer's
done.
Just going for it. You don't seem to care.
Oh, well done. You made that look easy.
What do you think was going to happen?
I don't know, but I just thought I might lose a wheel in some of it or something. I don't know.
Screw the belly of the car. Like,
Yeah, you made it look really easy.
And rip off the exhaust pipe, but it weren't that bad.
Yeah, as you know, like I've been driving a lot more lately since I've been going to work and all of that stuff. But still, like when I see a road like that, just from left to right, full of potholes, I just don't know how to tackle them.
There is quite a few decisions that you have to make, obviously.
Yeah.
But once you make that decision, you've committed to it. So I don't find it very stressful. Misha obviously finds it very stressful.
I'm just like, not even stressful, because I don't really get stressed, but just more like unsure of how to tackle it, and I don't want to go down it wrong and
find it stressful.
And mash
you
up
find
the car.
things which I find stressful and not stressful as well. I don't
Stressful
find it
is strong.
Oh,
Unsure.
Like,
Yeah, because you offered to drive, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. I'm
you
hopping
said
out.
you didn't want to, but that's absolutely fine. Like, it's all good. I don't really want to drive anymore because my knee and my hip again.
Yeah, like now you've crossed that part, we can switch seats again. I don't see his car anywhere. We're just looking for the guy that trimmed the land. We're just looking for him so we can pay him. And he said meet him where he is.
I don't really know what you mean by the crossroads. I cannot see him. I don't think this is where he met. I'm pretty sure.
He said come down the bypass.
He's there.
Where?
There.
Oh. Hello. Sorry we took so long.
Right,
8,000, yeah?
Yes, thanks a million.
Lovely, you got it?
How it look?
It looks good.
It's
We're
absolutely
happy,
great.
Cole. Thank you.
We'll give you a call in like about a month. Yeah, exactly.
Right, and once I can send you a video of it.
Yeah. Next time.
Yeah. We're on WhatsApp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
Exactly.
So next time,
Alright, thank
in about
you,
a
darling.
month, I'll just give you a shout.
No problem.
And then you can check on it or whatever and let me know if it needs cutting. But what we're going to do is we're going to build soon, like in a month or two.
Yes.
We're going to start building, and then, so I want to keep it like obviously clean, and in the back bit I'm going to keep as a garden, so I want to get it better.
Yes.
Do you do like landscaping as well? Like, you know, like putting seed down and all that stuff?
That'll be very, really good thing.
You can do everything.
Ooh.
Alright, wicked.
So guys, it's
Ask
Cole,
him.
and he did our land and trimmed it back nicely. So if you need your land doing, give Cole a shout. Nice man.
We'll put your number up on it.
It's
Show
lovely. There you
Yeah.
go. That's Cole.
He done a good job.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
I'll keep it up.
big up Cole.
Thank you, Cole.
Have a good one.
Have
We
a
will
good
do.
day.
Safe
Thank
travel.
you.
Have a good day, mate.
All the best.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, really nice guy. So if you're away, you're abroad, you're in the UK, US, and you're building here, but you need someone to take care of your land, you want someone trustworthy, he's a really nice guy. So I say his name is Cole. If you need his details, just send me a comment and I can send it over to you. But lovely guy. Right. Let's keep on going.
Where are we going now?
We're going to get some jerk chicken tea.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the jerk shop. Yeah, it's gonna be your first time trying jerk chicken from a jerk shop, a jerk hut in Jamaica, isn't it?
Oh, Mel.
And
I bet
drink.
you'd love a true juice, wouldn't you, Fee? Can I have a true
Theo's obsessed with true juice. He likes to work his way through the flavours. He loves them. I mean, they are nice. Oh, and we like a swizzle, don't we, Theo? Swizzle.
Yeah, to be honest with you, my favourite drink by far is a swizzle. I love the packaging, I love the price, and
The price is good.
Yeah, and I love the flavour. They're small, but like they're basically like premium little drink, yeah.
They're lovely.
But they're they're cheap and affordable, and they're like well good, man.
Yeah, they're a good kid-sized drink.
Well,
I mean, they're
absolutely.
not healthy at all. They're packed with sugar, but
And
they're
stabilizers
tasty.
and gums.
They're real
and-
tasty.
And probably sweeteners and preservatives and that. But who cares when you're trying to get one like a nice drink?
Yeah, like there's no harm having them. Well, I say there's no harm, but it's okay to have them once in a while.
Anyway, love off Swizzle, man.
Yay, swizzle.
We've stopped because I saw a cap on the side of the road. It's a trucker cap. Wait there, I'm
Just
coming.
be careful.
I am.
Be careful. Can you believe this? He's pulled over the car to pick up a cap he's seen at the side of the road. Honestly, only Toby. Look at him. I can see him.
Where is it?
I don't know. Daddy's gone in the bush to fish out a hat.
Where? Is it in there? Is it in that barrel?
Mad Daddy. crazy daddy.
No way. I'm literally so pleased.
Jesus. What does it say? Let me see. What does it say, Theo? Can you see daddy's hat?
Jesus.
Go on.
Jesus.
Can't see. What does it say, T?
There's a way, the truth, the life.
Well done, T.
Well done, TT. Good boy.
All right, if this is your cap and you need it back, let me know. But do you know what the crazy thing about this is? I haven't changed the size and it's perfect.
What was it meant to be, is it?
Yeah. Like, I know you think I'm joking, but...
Oh, you're crazy. Crazy.
How is that crazy?
Just be careful.
I saw a brand new cap by the side of the road. Wasn't I... Is it for kids?
I don't know.
It looks a bit
I
small.
mean, it does. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Is it well... What's wrong with it?
Oh,
If it fits, it's a bit small. Like it makes me look
kind
like
of sits on the top of your
makes
head,
me look like a
doesn't
bit
it?
of a pinhead. Like my head's like. It's a mesh. Wasn't I saying though that I wanted a mesh hat?
You were saying you wanted a new hat. You've been looking
A
for
mesh hat.
I don't remember you saying that, but you've been looking
they
for like
let
2 weeks for like a hat, haven't you?
For a mesh. Well, I've been looking for ages, but obviously I don't really want to spend any money.
Yeah. But look, now you've found a free hat.
And it says Jesus on it.
But yeah, if this is your hat and you want it back, please come and collect it.
What's wrong with it? It's basically brand new. What are you chatting about? Look, it's like worn. Look how looking like it's in mint condition.
All right, you mind the potholes, okay? Oh boy,
All right,
boy, oh boy. As long as you're happy, darling. As long as you're happy.
I am happy. I'm well happy with my Jesus hat.
Aww.
And wear it to church on Sunday.
Look,